In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust how indented your row labels are in your pivot table whenever it is in compact form. To do this, all you have to do is click on the Pivot Table Analyze tab, which shows up after you click into your pivot table. From here, click on Options. Now that we're in Options, you want to go to the grouping that says Layout and Format, which is on the left. And under the Layout grouping right here, you're going to see when in compact form indent row labels link number of characters. I'm going to type in 20 so you can see what that looks like. Okay. And as you can see, now these items right here, these row labels are indented by 20 characters, which you can kind of adjust to make it to where the pivot table will fit your visual liking. I can go back to options and then maybe don't like it 20 characters indented, I want it 8 characters indented, for example. Click OK. And as you can see, now these row labels are indented and fit my visual liking a bit more. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.